All right, here is a look at what we have going on outdoors. It's very quiet. The wind finally settling down. It's been cold and it remains cold this evening, although not quite as wind chilly. Feels like 1 above 9 at current temperature. The wind's 5 miles per hour. We have 10 at Moorheads Airport. Here's that 0-degree line up to the north. A few of us down or flirting with sub-zero readings, while we're in the teens down south in Wahpeton, Breckenridge, out towards Fergus Falls and Wadena as well. Now, factor in those winds, and it has a bite to it. Areas primarily that got the significant measurable snow from our event yesterday are the ones that are feeling the biggest impact with wind chills and temperatures at this hour. We do have those winds generally still from the north, but we're starting to see a little bit of a reversal out in the western part of the Dakotas. Crystal clear skies over the entire region, though, as we head to bed, and your hour-by-hour forecast shows we're on our way down. And we'll be below zero. I think we'll be below zero for much of the overnight in places like Michigan. Grand Forks will be down below zero with the fresh snow that you have on the ground, and there'll be a shot at that in northwest Minnesota as well, particularly up there in Kittson County, where you two got a fair amount of flaky material. Temperatures in the single digits above and below zero. The good news is it won't be with a lot of wind. That changes as we go through the midday hours tomorrow. The southeast winds start picking up 10 to 25 miles per hour. Now, I'll start warming temperatures, but that first half of the day will not feel very warm. And into the afternoon, temperatures will struggle, but start making hay as we get to the afternoon. We'll have a few of us in the 30s, but look what comes along with it. Growing pains. As warmer air punches in, it's going to create some snow showers across mainly our southern counties. We could still see a little bit up north. I don't expect much in the way of accumulation. Half inch, maybe an inch, maybe some slippery streets or sidewalks briefly. It's going to be that wind that will make your Saturday feel a little bit less than what the thermometer says it should feel like. Our snow showers last into the evening hours. Here's a look at your planning forecast. Temperatures rising from single digits all the way to near 30 in Fargo-Moorhead. We'll have that chance of snow showers developing in the afternoon into the early evening. Should be fairly light with insignificant amounts for most areas. Temperatures will be near 30 for most of our northern counties, including northwest Minnesota and up in Lakes Country and the Devil's Lake Basin as well. Where you see the freezing line here, that's where things have a shot at 35 to 40 degrees on Saturday, and many of us will warm up a little more into our Sunday. Just a fantastic and beautiful shot here. Look at the sky color, but not only that in Milner, we have the elevator, we have the ice, we have the portions of the ground that are free of snow. All right, here is a look at our weekend planner. Sunday, some will see 40 south of the FM area, 37 here. Sunny day. It doesn't look like it'll be nearly as windy as our Saturday. And then as we head into next week, that's when things really start to begin melting once again. Temperatures rise into the low to mid 40s, a chance for another weather hiccup that cools us down as we go Wednesday and into Thursday. And then, Andrea, late in the week, it looks like we're on our way back to some very mild weather as we close out the work week and head into our next weekend. So miles of smiles from the weather department the way it looks now.
You know, we need a lot to smile about these days, right?
Yes, we do.
A little extra. Thanks, Hutch.